goes.
Yo, man, blimey. I'm in the wrong place. I'm sorry.
No, I'm in the wrong place. This isn't the video your teacher wanted. Hey man. Oh, so we're doing this thing?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh no! Oh no, the prop.
All right.
Hold on, man. Are you in the right place?
Is this the iPhone thing?
Yeah, it's the iPhone thing.
I'm sorry. I had a different appointment. So, that's all right.
Well, hold on, man. This is a professional studio.
You're right. It's not. I'm sorry. So today, we're going to be teaching you guys how to put a protection app on your phone that prevents it from breaking when dropped. So you can be able to. Right now, the iPhone is very weak, and if you drop it any more than that, it will shatter completely. But this app that we install onto the software of the phone will prevent the phone from being broken. And then we're going to come up here to our app store. We're going to do a search. We're going to wait for it to load because obviously load time is very quick. Load time is very fast on the iPhone because search bar pop up. So what you're going to want to do is put it in this mode because obviously it helps the app open more. We're going to close that app, go back into the App Store. This is all part of what you do process. This brings up Siri, of course, and now we can ask Siri what we want to do. Hey Siri, can we search the App Store for phone protector?
Okay, I found this on the web for Siri. Of course, Siri. What do you want to do? Hey Siri, can
Search the web. Search the App Store for phone protection.
Okay, searching for phone protection on the App Store.
Yeah, obviously this is the quicker way to do this because now it'll just pop right up. It'll just load. It'll just load right in. Good to. Hold on a second. Ah! Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit. I mean. Oh god. Okay. This is all fine. This is all part of the thing. It'll still. It's ooh. 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 Hey Siri. Siri. Yeah, we'll just reset it, and then it'll just come right back on. Alright, hey guys, DJ Man here with another iPhone tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put extra protection on your phone so if it drops, it won't break. Step 1, we're going to open the phone like that. Step 2, we're going to turn it on again. And then we're going to use Siri to open up the phone. Step 3, we're going to come over here to the App Store right there. We're going to open the App Store and we're going to go over to Search. Step 3, we're going to go over to Search, which is already on that. And we're going to wait. It'll work. And we're going to wait. Step 5, turn on Wi-Fi. You'll see a little symbol up there, the little Wi-Fi symbol right there. That's going to be on, and that means you're on Wi-Fi. It helps because you're not using...
Radio.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh no, because it was an iPhone that it cracked because Steve Jobs was an asshole. Oh god. Oh, it's really broken. Oh god. What's disabled? iPhone disabled for 1 minute. More like a lifetime.